Before you start rolling, you want to dust your work surface with some confectioner's sugar, and you want to keep that surface dusted throughout the rolling process so that we can lift up our sheet of fondant after we have it rolled. So make a piece like this, and we're going to roll it sort of wide and flat, and you want to roll it until it's about 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch, and it'll be a little wider on the top and thinner on the bottom. This is probably the most difficult part about making the cake, but the fondant is actually very forgiving. It stretches and it molds. So keep going. Now you want to check once in a while to make sure that it is not sticking to the board, and you can, see it's stuck a little here, you can slide more confectioner's sugar underneath, and then continue your rolling. You're going to need to roll it out long enough to cover, wide enough to cover the skirt of the cake here. That's about 8 inches. And long enough to go around the cake. Okay, you can continue to dust the board or your work surface with confectioner's sugar, and don't worry if you get on the top, it'll dust right off. Okay, and when it looks big enough, we'll apply it to the cake.